Yo, what's up guys? So as you can see right behind me, I'm at Ross. The plan is to go to the Nike outlet today, like a Nike outlet type of vlog, but it doesn't open until 11. Right now it's like 10:15. So we're gonna hit up this Ross, hopefully another one before the Nike outlet opens. But yeah, let's go inside, see if we find anything, and let's do it. What's up guys? So this is probably my first find. I still need to look it up, but it's really cheap. Some Dr.Martens are like some low top ones. Pretty cool actually, like some studs. Only 40 bucks. It's like a men's size 5, which is probably like a women's size 6. But yeah, that's a really good price for Dr.Martens, 40 bucks. So it's probably the first find of the day. I found these New Balance. They're only 25 bucks. I know that New Balance does really well with specific models. Never seen this model before, so I have to look it up. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe it might be a good find. What's up guys? So now I'm in the women's section. Normally I don't really find much in the women's section, but I mean, what I always say is that you're already in the store, so why like skip it, you know? And sometimes you can find some good stuff. Oh crap. Sometimes you find some good stuff, so you never know. So hopefully we can find something here. So we just left from the Ross right now. I found a couple cool stuff. I'm gonna do like a sit down and I'll show you guys everything I got at the end of the haul, at the end of the video. So right now there's actually a Nike outlet across the street right there. So that's where we're gonna hit up right now. It opens like in a few minutes. Yeah, there's not a line surprisingly, so I'm just gonna rush in. Hopefully find something. What's up guys? So I'm inside of Nike, as you can see. Right now I'm just looking up stuff, seeing what may be worth it or not. Found these LeBrons. They're pretty cool. They're grade school though. Going for like 80, so they're like 70 bucks. So obviously I'm not gonna take those. And then I was gonna take these because Air Maxes always sell really well for me, but they look kind of yellow to me, so I'm gonna leave these behind. And then we have these. They don't have a price, but I know this shoe sells good. So if they're like 40 bucks or less, I'll take them. And then I'm just trying to see if I can find a smaller size than these because they're only 30 bucks. So that's where I'm at right now. I'll see if I find anything else though. We just left from the Nike outlet, guys. Nike outlet was actually trash. I was actually really surprised to not find anything, but you know, you always have those days, so it is what it is. But we're at the second Ross now, and there's another TJ Maxx there, so I might hit it up, but TJ Maxx is always trash. So let's go into the Ross and yeah, let's go. So what I found so far, guys, I found these New Balances. Just the quick disclaimer, guys, everything I'm showing you, I haven't looked it up yet, but these New Balances, $27. Pretty cool. And then these other New Balance shoes. This is like a newer model, but it was only 25 bucks as well. So pretty cool. I mean, you see, it's like a USA colorway. I saw another reseller post about these actually. It's a New Balance, the Big Chew, the gum collab. They're only 10 bucks. They are a really big size though, but I saw that he said they were pretty rare, so I have to look these up. They look mad comfy though. And then same ones, just purple. And then just some random Champion slides that I think my dad wanted or something. So that's it for now, but let's see if we can find anything else. Hey guys, so we're at a different shopping center now, and we're gonna hit up the third Ross of the day. And you guys already know the usual. See if we find anything, and let's go inside. So I'm coming in the car now, guys, and didn't find nothing. So now we're pulling up to Burlington, and I haven't been to Burlington in a while, so hopefully they have some new restocks or something. But yeah, let's get inside. Got nothing at Burlington, took another L, but I think we might go to another Ross. But first off, we're gonna go get something to eat because I'm kind of starving, to be honest. What's up guys? So now this is at the fourth Ross of the day, and it's gonna be our last stop of the day, so hopefully we could end it off with a bang. And yeah, let's go inside. So yeah, so far basically just finished up the men's shoe section, and basically nothing for now, but I mean there still is a women's and kids, so hopefully you can find something there. I always like to take a little glance at the clothes too. I don't like to spend too much time at the clothes either, especially if I had a day like today where I'm going to like a bunch of different stores. I just literally just give it a little glance, you know. So last Ross, also took another L. What's up, guys? So as you can see, I'm back home now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the haul like I promised. So I actually ended up going to a lot of stores today. I went to 7 stores today. I went to 2 Rosses, and then I went to a Nike outlet. Then I went to another Ross, a Burlington, and then a Marshalls. The Marshalls on the way to the other Ross I was gonna go to, so I just like went in super fast, and then I went to a Ross. So total 7 stores, and I only got 4 things, which is a little bit, but you know what happens. I like to pick up like really cheap like running shoes, like budget ones, like the generic ones. I actually like those flips because you buy it for like 20 bucks, $17, you flip it for 40, and they move fast. But I couldn't find these, so if I'm not gonna just buy it just because if it's not the right price. So I got these, started off these New Balance. It's like a new model, I forgot exactly what it's called, but they're only $24.99 at Ross, and they were selling for $130 and above on both eBay and on Go. They're small size, the men's 7.5, but for that price I can't leave them behind. It's a pretty cool like USA colorway looking type of thing. Looks pretty dope. So that was the first find, and yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. And then next up I got these Dr. Martens. Really surprised to find these. It's like a really cool studded like red and white. I thought it looked pretty cool, to be honest. And then they're only 40 bucks, and it came with like some extra laces and stuff. So pretty cool, a little bit on the smaller side, but I think it's equivalent to like a women's size 6 because it's a men's size 5. So yeah, selling for around $130 to $150 on eBay, but for only 40 bucks, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. I spent like $70 on Dr. Martens. I still flipped them for like $150. So if they're only 40 bucks, I mean, that's a steal. I got these Vans right here. They're called the Anderson Pat. I don't know, it's a collab. They're only $25 at Ross. I never like to pick up Vans at all because there's not really a big profit margin unless they're like dirt cheap. But this one was selling for like around 80. So I'm gonna test these out. If they don't sell within the 30 days, I'm just gonna return them. But I'm just trying it out, just doing something different. And I found this Levi's jacket. It's like the Pride collection or something. It was only $27.99. Retail was $128, and normally it was selling for around $100 on eBay. So that was a good pickup. And it's like a clear see-through, so I don't know. It's not too bad, but fine. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the haul. That's everything I got, and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. I'll definitely be reading the comments, and I'll do a few of them. I mean, just give me your suggestions, what you'd like to see on this channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Later. Peace out.